Yerevan has hosted the 7th annual Harmony Meetup, bringing together top professionals from the Web3 industry under one roof. Fastex joined industry experts at the event to discuss current challenges and exchange forward-thinking ideas about the future of Web3.
Throughout Harmony Meetup VII, Fastex presented a 6-month recap, highlighting key achievements such as new product launches, ecosystem growth, market expansion, the updated Fastex debit card, and the release of the premium Fastex metal card. One of this year's major highlights for Fastex was the launch of the FTN Notes.
During one of our regular discussions, the shareholder proposed the idea to create something unique for FTN holders, a special collectible or a different format that would stand out. That's how the idea of FTN Notes came about, a limited edition series of physical notes representing the FTN token. Any Fastex user holding FTN can, if they wish, exchange a portion of their tokens for the paper equivalent, and at any time redeem it back in a digital form.
Attendees of Harmony VII had the opportunity to explore Fastex's development plans firsthand and connect directly with the team behind the technology. The event received international media coverage.
At Harmony VII, Fastex shared everything that's been happening across the ecosystem. One of the most significant achievements was the implementation of the POSA consensus mechanism, a global blockchain innovation. We also celebrated FTN's 2nd anniversary. It's now accepted across more than 100 payment systems.
Vardhan Kachatrian, Fastex's chief legal officer and board member, spoke about the company's expansion plans in Brazil, noting that despite market competition, the region holds great potential for attracting new users. Michael Parsons, head of sales at Fireblocks, reflected on their collaboration with Fastex, emphasizing how Fireblocks' infrastructure plays a key role in providing a secure and scalable environment for the entire ecosystem. Harmony Meetup VII once again became a platform for building strong partnerships and shaping the Web3 community, setting new standards and paving the way for what's next.